Well guys, I think it's time to get a new golf cart. No. You don't want to buy a new one. That's stupid expensive. And you've got the aggravation of getting rid of the old one. He's right. What you should do is a full rebuild of the existing golf cart. How hard can it be? Okay, we'll do a rebuild. But if it all goes terribly wrong, you guys are getting the blame.
I think I like this little life. This little life. I think I like this little life.
Welcome to Trailer Tales and Stuff. I'm Simon. Here we are back at the trailer for the 2024 camping season. We have it fixed up, set up, cleaned up. So now we can get into this season's projects. And the first of those is a rebuild of the golf cart. The plan is to make a series of videos documenting the refit. I guess we'll see how that goes. Late last year there was some discussion about the golf cart. To be honest, really comparing it to the new ones that a couple of friends had gotten recently. And I realised that ours had started to look a little tired. So the decision was made to make a change. At first I figured that would mean selling or trading the current cart and buying a new one. But the more I thought about it, the more I liked the idea of doing a full rebuild of the current cart. Cost-wise, probably wouldn't make much difference, as the replacement would still be a used cart, but it would give us the chance to build exactly what we wanted, as we would be making all the design choices. We've had this cart, it's a 2013 EZGO RXV, for about 6 years now. It's got 48 volt lead acid power and mechanically is pretty much factory standard. When we first bought it from a local dealer, we had to make some cosmetic changes to improve the factory look. So a rear seat kit with the matching black and silver front seat covers was added, the original silver body stayed and had a basic LED light package installed. The beige roof that it came with was switched for a black one, and the factory wheels were swapped out for a set of aluminum rims with low profile tyres. A new steering wheel and mirrors basically rounded out the package. So, what's the plan? Well, it's a fairly comprehensive list and should result in something that people would assume was a completely different car. First, and by far the most obvious, will be a full body swap. We're taking off the factory silver body and putting on a metallic black body kit from Madjax called the Apex. The body kit includes front and rear sections and comes equipped with their Lux LED light package. This includes headlamps with daytime running lights, high and low beam headlights and directional indicators. There's a pretty funky LED light bar built into the hood that connects to the headlamps. At the rear it includes brake lights and reverse lights. And just for the hell of it, another 16 million or so LED underglow light kit is going to go on the chassis. The side mirrors are being replaced with slightly larger ones that have built-in directional LEDs. There's going to be a new rear seat kit. It's the Max 6 Helix from Double Take and features out the pretty standard flip-out cargo bed, but with a built-in cooler, armrests and fold-away cup holders. For the interior, it's going to be a full carbon fiber look dash with a center console. That's going to be used to mount the Boss audio system's marine stereo, two 5¼ inch Pile marine speakers, a GPS speedo and the main on, off and forward reverse switch. And the steering wheel is going to be replaced with one to match the new color scheme. The existing wheel and tyre combo is going to be swapped out for a set that continues the new colour scheme. Last but not least, is going to be dumping the old 48 volt lead acid battery pack for a 51 volt 105 amp hour lithium pack from Eco Battery. The new lithium pack will be backed up by an onboard charger hooked into a voltage reducer to bring the power to 12 volts, and that will feed a master fuse block to connect up the light, stereo, GPS, and as well as any other stuff that we add. So the plan now is to put together a series of videos that chart the progress of this project. I have no real idea how long they're going to take, but I'm hoping that it will happen with the bare minimum of broken bones and blood and swearing. But stay tuned. Take a look at what's going on, and we'll see you in the next one. Cheers.
I think I like this little life. this little life.